Managing finances is one of the most important and sometimes stressful parts of running a small business. From tracking expenses and sending invoices and handling taxes and payroll, accounting can quickly become overwhelming. And if your system is not organized, it can cost you time, money, and even opportunities. That's why choosing the right accounting software is so important. Today in this video, I am going to break down the 5 best accounting software for small businesses, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool fits for your business needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to make smarter decisions online. If that sounds good to you or helpful to you, then make sure to subscribe this channel and check the description below for direct access to all the tools mentioned. Any available trials or offer, they will be applied automatically. Now let's start with number 5. Number 5 is FreshBooks. FreshBooks is a great option for freelancers and service-based small businesses. It's especially strong when it comes to invoicing and time tracking. If you send a lot of invoices to clients, FreshBooks makes it incredibly simple. You can create professional invoices, you can set the recurring billing, you can accept online payments, and even automate the payment reminders. That alone can improve the cash flow. It also includes the expense tracking and basic reporting, which helps you to understand where your money is going. However, while FreshBooks is excellent for invoicing, it is not as powerful as some other tools when it comes to the advanced accounting features. So it's best for the freelancers, consultants, and small service businesses rather than complex operations. Now, moving up to the list, number 4 is Wave. Wave is one of the most attractive options for new small businesses because it offers a free plan. Yes, Wave allows you to manage invoicing, income tracking, and expenses without paying a monthly subscription. For startups or side businesses that are just beginning, this can be extremely helpful. Wave is simple, clean, and easy to use. You can connect your bank account, you can track transactions, and generate basic financial reports. However, advanced features like payroll and payment processing come with the fees, and compared to the higher ranked tools on other list, Wave doesn't offer as many automation or scalability features. Still, for budget conscious entrepreneurs, Wave is a very strong starting point. Now let's move into more powerful solutions. Number 3 is Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a well-balanced accounting software with strong automation features. One of its biggest strengths is workflow automation. For example, you can automate the payment reminders, recurring invoices, and even certain bookkeeping tasks. It also integrates smoothly with other Zoho apps, which is great if you already use tools like Zoho CRM. Zoho Books provides the solid reporting, tax management tools, inventory tracking, and project billing features. This makes it a strong option for small businesses that are growing and need more than just simple invoicing. The interface is modern and user-friendly, but some advanced features may require the higher tier plans. Still, in terms of the value for money and automation, Zoho Books prefer very well. Now we are getting into the top 2. Number 2 is Zero. Zero is known for its clean interface and powerful cloud-based accounting system. It's especially popular among small businesses that want strong reporting and multi-user collaboration. You can connect your bank accounts, you can automate transaction imports, you can reconcile the statements easily and generate detailed financial reports. Zero also supports the inventory management, payroll integration in certain region, and over 1,000 third-party apps integrations. That makes it highly flexible. Another big advantage is that Zero allows unlimited users on most of the plans, which is helpful if you have a team or accountant who needs access. And now the number 1 is QuickBook. QuickBooks Online takes the top of the spot because it combines power, usability, scalability, and widespread option. It is one of the most recognized accounting software platforms in the world, and many accountants already use or recommend it. That makes collaboration much easier. QuickBooks Online offers invoicing, expense tracking, tax preparation tools, payroll integration, inventory management, detailed reporting, and strong automation features. It's suitable for freelancers, small businesses, and even growing companies that need advanced financial oversight. The dashboard is intuitive and the reporting tools are especially strong. You can track profit and loss, you can track the cash flow, you can track expense by category, and much more in real time. While it's not the cheapest option, the combination of reliability, features, and support makes QuickBooks Online the best overall accounting software for most small business in this time. So the right choice depends on your business size, budget, and complexity. If you're just starting, then Wave or FreshBook is a good choice for you. But if you're scaling and need advanced reporting and automation, then Zero or QuickBook is a better option for your situation. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you to choose the right accounting software, like and share it with other small business owners. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more tool comparisons and business tutorial. Check the link from description to get the access and get some free trial or current offers. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.